This Mazda 6, with only 50,000 miles, Mazda 6, wants to change his mood. Change the color inside and out, and the interior is repainted, although the car is only worth a few thousand. But the owner spent tens of thousands yuan. He wants to do it all at once. The original sunroof is torn, and some buttons are chipped, which affected his mood. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to the workshop to remove the interior. Leave your car to Xiaobai. Just rest assured, the construction progress will be reported. All will be removed. The roof has been removed. Then go to the machine repair shop to remove the exterior parts. After each rubber sleeve is made, and put them in order. Professional things to professional people. The Fuyao Glasses workers will remove the glass. Go to the painting workshop to continue to remove doors. For the disassembly and painting, Xiaobai is definitely good at this. Go directly to the spray room. Spray the disassembled parts with 3 coats of color paint to ensure even and smooth color. And 2 coats of clear paint. The paint is bright and shiny. Piano, do you know that you sprayed on me that day? The body still needs 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear. The edges of the roof and the bottom are sprayed. Tears beat the pace. The person is gone. Tears are meaningless. Angry tapping, like questioning. Asking why the love has turned into regret.